Hi, this is SLK from the Unity community, and this is my third update video for Advanced Inventory System version 3.1. There's quite a bit to cover that I've done, so let's get started. Let's go and open up the database. I added in a couple little bottles here as like little test items. This is a test bag that I was working on, item bag. There's also baggie here, which uses a buckler image, shield image. These three are all bags that I'm testing for the bag inventory. Bag inventories are pretty unique. There's currently a little hiccup that you can't have two of the same bags in the game. Otherwise, they act like one bag essentially. So they share inventories, is what I'm getting at. But you can have as many different bags as you want. And bags can be put inside of bags as well. Let's see. Item types hasn't changed. This has changed quite a bit. You now have a nice little preview window that shows you what your GUI skin's going to look like inside the game. It also adjusts when you change the padding, cell spacing, or cell size. Pretty much anything you change in here that would affect this, it's gonna recalculate and readjust to show you what it's gonna look like inside the game. You also now have the option to change the GUI skin. So if I come over here and drag this skin, you'll notice that this also changes its skin to the skin you just selected, which is a nice little feature because now you don't have to go in and out of play mode to see what your skin's gonna look like in the game to make sure you got your padding right. Like if you have a GUI that has really wide edges, this is gonna overblock it. You'll be able to see that and adjust it to the correct value without it affecting your development time too much. There's this nice little button which will reset it back to the default GUI. So I've also just reorganized this in general to make it look a lot nicer and easier to use. You can also change your window title of the inventory here and whatnot. I'll show you the bags right now so you guys can see that real quick. I currently just have the chest handing you 3 bags: baggie, buckler, and bottle bag. So I can sit here and I can open all of them, drag them around, and then if I pick up a bag, you'll notice that its inventory closes and will reopen when it's inside an inventory. So it remembers if it's open or not and doesn't close automatically. You cannot place a bag inside of itself. You'll notice that because when you pick it up, its inventory closes. But as I stated earlier in the video, you can place a bag inside of a bag inside of a bag. And item swapping still works all the way around. So see, I can like swap different bags. And you essentially have like an infinite storage chest. So like if you're like trying to save room in your inventory and you got all these different bags here, and you need this space here for an item, you just open up this bag, place this bag in there, open this bag up, place this bag in here, and then just close them. And now those items that used to take up these entire slots now just occupy one itty bitty little space right here. Now in the future, this feature will be toggleable, so you can choose to allow players to put bags inside of bags or not. But for right now, it's just allowed for now. So that's about all I've really changed. It does disable certain features if you select a certain item type. Like for bags, max stack size is disabled and automatically set to 1, and buff value is blocked out because it's a bag. With shields, I did add in a new shield sprite. With shields, you have the cell count disabled. Anything that's not a bag, this cell count will be disabled. Also, if you select the item type as armor, weapon type becomes disabled, and if you select weapon, armor type gets disabled. Or if it's just general, both of these are disabled. Pretty much if it's not a weapon type or an armor type, these are disabled. So, yeah, that's pretty much going to wrap it up for this video. So, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're looking forward to the finished version. So, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.